Keter Factor 6x6 foot large resin outdoor shed. The Factor 6x6 shed gives you ample storage with plenty of convenience. Made from durable weather-resistant resin, this shed won't rust or rot like wooden sheds, and comes with steel reinforcements for added strength. It features a heavy-duty floor that protects your equipment from water and mud, high-arched double doors that will allow you easy access to the shed contents, and with 2 shelves are included for instant organized storage. A full-length skylight lets in plenty of natural light, and it's lockable too, so you can keep your contents safe, day and night. Product features. Virtually zero maintenance, this weather-resistant shed won't rust, peel, rot or decay. Made from durable resin with steel reinforcement for added stability. Built-in air vents ensure good ventilation. Window and full-length skylight provide ample natural light. High-arched double doors make it easy to bring items in and out. Heavy-duty floor is ideal for storing large and heavy garden or leisure equipment. Ceiling is high enough for an adult to comfortably move around inside. Includes 2 shelves for instant storage options. Stainless steel locking system for added peace of mind. Easy assembly using common household tools. Our verdict: the Factor 6x6 shed gives you ample storage with plenty of convenience. It is easy to clean and maintain. It will never rot, fade, rust or unravel.